The Kisnt wireless mechanical keyboard KB-75 offers remarkable connectivity options with its Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless and USB-C wired modes, providing flexibility for various devices. Designed for an exceptional typing experience, this keyboard features sound-dampening technology for a pleasing auditory feedback with each keystroke. Its compact 75% layout is perfect for saving desktop space while maintaining essential keys for both gaming and typing tasks. The keyboard is equipped with smooth, pre-lubed linear switches that are hot swappable, allowing for easy customization without soldering. With 20 RGB lighting effects and customizable keycaps, the Kisnt keyboard adds a nostalgic retro look to your desk while offering personalization options. Kisnt provides a reassuring 2-year after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for quality issues.